I did too. I was like, whoa, if they're shaking over there.
I don't know how to do Raining Men.
Move, you're in my way. She's already in my way.
Deb, take one step to the right.
Deb, take one step to the right. Oh, I know this whole song by heart.
It's disturbing.
Yeah.
They said it was disturbing, Jean.
Am I Baby or Sunny? I'm Kara.
Who am I? I'm not doing so well.
Where is she pointing? Mom's winning. Who am I, Kara?
Where's
I'm
Baby?
You're being Sunny.
Debbie keeps crowding Jean.
Yes,
Take a step to your right.
She's right in front of the TV.
You can't even see you.
Hold on.
Kara, are you playing?
Yeah, but the thing can't even see me. Do I like it, Sky?
What is she doing?
Did I know this whole song by heart? Dad.
You're killing me.
What is she doing? Mom, I know the whole song by heart.
This is disturbing.
Look at Jeannie go. Woo! Yeah, do what you gotta do, Deb.
Are you getting this one?
I am. I don't know why, but I am.
It's going to be great on YouTube.
Have you done that? Have you taken it from your phone and put it on YouTube before?
Well, I give it to John to do.
Yeah, you're winning. You're up by a lot, actually.
Kick it up, Deb.
Who's blue?
Jeannie. Sunny, the yellow one is Deb. Yvonne. Kara's.
I think Kara's done this one before.
I know this one by heart.
Yeah, I was going to say, you're doing the moves before they are.
Watch. You're staring at me. Oh. You ready? Watch this. That all in time. Oh, step.
Oh, I just rolled it up on that one.
Oh, I did. Oh, yeah, you did. Oh, crap. What is she doing? Practice act.
I don't think she's doing that.
It's getting a little too intense.
Exactly.
This maybe can't go on YouTube. I might get arrested.
I'm winning.
Like an episode of Sister Lovers or something.
I know. We can maybe sell this.
This is my move, people.
I got this one now.
You're stepping on my foot and I don't care.
You know, once this goes viral, we'll never make it in the country club again.
Yeah.
Ow! Keep going, Karen. Hey, doesn't matter. Ow! Your heels, move over. I got off the table. Good God.